Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain the review of TurboTax Deluxe Honest. TurboTax Deluxe is a popular tax preparation software known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features. The online version of TurboTax Deluxe typically starts at $60 to $80 for federal filing. This price may include one state tax filing, but additional state filings may incur extra charges. Prices can fluctuate based on promotional offers, early filing discounts, and changes in tax laws. The CD or download version of TurboTax Deluxe usually offers a starting fee of around $40 to $60 for federal filing. State filing may require an additional cost, depending on the user's location. TurboTax Deluxe is designed to be user-friendly, with a step-by-step process that guides you through each section of your tax return. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate. You can sign up here by providing your phone number, user ID, or email. Fill out the required fields with your personal information, including your email address, name, and desired password. Make sure to create a strong password for security purposes after entering your information. TurboTax may send a verification email to the email address you provided. Check your inbox for this email and follow the instructions to verify your email address. TurboTax may ask you to set up additional security measures, such as 2FA, to further secure your account. Follow any remaining prompts to finish setting up your TurboTax account. TurboTax Deluxe is known for its accuracy in tax calculations. It checks errors and alerts you to potential issues, reducing the risk of mistakes on your tax return. However, it is important to review your information carefully to ensure accuracy. TurboTax provides customer support through various channels, including live chat, phone support, and extensive knowledge base. However, some users have reported challenges in reaching customer support during peak tax season. The cost of TurboTax Deluxe can vary depending on your tax situation and any additional services you may need. While it offers a free version for simple tax returns, the deluxe version is priced higher and may not be suitable for everyone's budget. TurboTax Deluxe offers mobile access through its app, allowing you to work on your tax return from your smartphone or tablet. This can be convenient for users who prefer to work on the go. TurboTax Deluxe integrates well with other Intuit products, such as QuickBooks, making it easy to import financial data if you use multiple Intuit services. Its user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and accuracy make it a popular option among taxpayers. However, the cost and customer support experience may vary for each user. TurboTax Deluxe is a tax presentation software developed by Intuit. TurboTax Deluxe offers a step-by-step guide process to help users navigate through their tax returns seamlessly. It asks relevant questions based on your tax situation, ensuring thoroughness. Users can import financial data directly into your TurboTax Deluxe from sources like W-2 forms, 1099s, investment accounts, and previous year's tax returns. This feature saves time and reduces manual data entry errors. The software guides potential deductions and credits that users may qualify for, maximizing their tax savings. It covers common deductions like mortgage interest, charitable contributions, and education expenses. TurboTax Deluxe includes a tax refund estimator tool that gives users an idea of their potential refund or tax liability based on the information needed. The software automatically checks for errors and alerts users to potential issues, helping to minimize mistakes on the tax return. TurboTax Deluxe offers audit support, providing guidance and resources if a user tax return is audited by the IRS. In addition to federal tax filing, TurboTax Deluxe also offers support state tax filing, making it a comprehensive solution for most taxpayers. TurboTax Deluxe is designed with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to individuals with varying levels of tax knowledge. The software guides users through each section of the tax return, explaining complex tax concepts in simple terms. It provides tips and explanations along the way to help users understand their tax situation better. TurboTax Deluxe is known for its accuracy in tax calculations. It uses up-to-date tax laws and algorithms to ensure accurate results. The software performs through checks to catch potential errors and discrepancies before filing the tax return. TurboTax Deluxe offers customer support through various channels, including live chat, phone support, and an extensive knowledge base. Users can also access community forums and FAQs for additional assistance. The cost of TurboTax Deluxe varies based on the version and any additional services or upgrades chosen. Users should check the current pricing on the TurboTax website or authorized retailers for the most accurate information. Its features, ease of use, accuracy, and customer support make it a popular choice among taxpayers during tax season. Overall, TurboTax Deluxe is a comprehensive and reliable tax preparation software that caters to individuals and families with more complex tax situations. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.